Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow greens for chickens. Start by choosing fast-growing, safe greens and prepare soil or containers with good drainage and sunlight. Sow seeds or transplant seedlings in blocks or rows to allow regrowth and plan staggered plantings for continuous harvest. Monitor moisture daily, protect young plants from pests, and rotate planting spots to maintain soil fertility for healthier, more productive greens over time. Pick a variety of greens such as lettuces, kale, beet greens, and chicory to cover vitamins, fiber, and minerals. Rotate species to prevent nutrient gaps and pest buildup and harvest outer leaves to let plants regrow. Include comfrey or nettles sparingly for added calcium and protein, and balance with regular feed so greens do not exceed dietary needs. Keep records of what chickens prefer and which plants perform best in your setup. Sow seeds densely in trays for quick germination, then transplant seedlings once they have a few true leaves to reduce shock. Use a light compost mix and occasional kelp feed to support steady growth without over-fertilizing, and water gently to keep soil evenly moist. Provide 4 to 6 hours of direct sun while offering shade in the heat, and stagger plantings every 1 to 2 weeks to ensure chickens always have fresh greens to peck at.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.